Let's just see. Hey guys, it's me, and I'm going to be doing a little scary adventure with my friend Soph. And the lighting's not very good, but hopefully you'll just judge from my talking about where we are. And you can see it's pretty dark outside right now. And it's only the security camera on our house that's keeping us like not completely dark. And that torch Sophie is holding, but it's still pretty dark. And we're just going to go, okay? I've got a penknife in my pocket if anything bad happens. And we should be okay. And I think I'll upload this after the video I did of us eating those random sweets. But, because that'll probably take quite... Fucking hell. Bloody fucking hell. Shit. Crap. Fuck. What was that? Was that a fox?
No, that was a cat. I don't know. I thought it was a fox. Okay, that's fine. Oh my god. That scared me. Come on, we're going back there.
I was so scared. Well, you just held the torch and you're like, ugh. And then I was like, fucking hell. And you're like, fuck. I hope your mum doesn't see this video.
I know. Me too.
I mean, my mum never watches my YouTube, so
That's going to be okay. Right. This is going to be pretty cool, guys. Apart from what just happened is not so cool. What?
I thought I saw a cat.
I don't see it.
Can you hear that?
Your music.
Yeah, we'll play. Trying it again. Okay. What are you doing? What are you doing?
Scaring anything away.
What was that?
I think I'm about to poop myself. What if we make it to a mud end?
We have to go back, come on. No, let's go back.
Why?
Because I'm scared, bloody hell.
Scaredy cat.
Should we bring your mum out here?
Yeah.
And we can film it. Okay, come on. Let's go get your mum.
Go and have a look.
Well, nothing's going to happen, is it? It's just weird. Let's go get your mum and let's scare her to death.
I know.
Let's tell her we saw a fox and we want her to come out and investigate with us. No, let's not tell her that until we're on the walk. So guys, I'm afraid we're going to have to go now, but I'll probably add on to this video
I pooped myself
with
a tiny bit.
taking Sophia's mum. Okay, bye.